Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world at an unprecedented rate, an evolution that can feel both exciting and overwhelming. The science fiction that once fueled our imaginations is quickly transitioning into reality as smart assistants, robotic process automation, and sophisticated data analysis become integral to our daily lives. However, with this rapid advancement comes a myriad of challenges that we must confront to harness AI's full potential responsibly. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As AI systems increasingly take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, countless individuals find themselves questioning the security of their employment. It's not just factory workers facing this change. Administrators, customer service representatives, and data analysts are also seeing their roles evolve. This situation begs a critical question: how do we adapt to ensure that technology serves as an ally to humanity rather than a foe? The focus must shift towards reskilling and upskilling the workforce to embrace this new technological landscape. Bias in AI algorithms poses another significant challenge. These systems learn from data that often mirrors societal prejudices, which can lead to discriminatory practices in crucial areas like hiring and law enforcement. Developers must take active steps to address these biases, ensuring that AI applications are equitable and transparent. It's essential to involve diverse teams in the development of AI to create solutions that represent the spectrum of human experience rather than reinforce harmful stereotypes. As AI permeates our lives, ethical considerations become increasingly critical. The notion of machines making decisions that significantly affect our lives without human oversight sparks robust debate. The importance of implementing regulatory frameworks around AI cannot be understated. Society needs to determine how these technologies should evolve. The dialogue around the future of work also includes the potential for a universal basic income, suggesting a safety net for many when traditional jobs inevitably vanish. While these challenges might be daunting, recent advancements in AI show remarkable promise. The rise of generative AI has led to incredible forays into art, music, and literature, blurring the lines between human-made and machine-generated content. In healthcare, AI's ability to analyze complex datasets holds the potential for earlier, more accurate diagnoses, making patient care more effective and personalized. Autonomous systems, including self-driving cars and delivery drones, demonstrate the tangible impact AI is having. These innovations promise to enhance convenience and operational efficiency in our everyday lives. Furthermore, AI serves as a powerful tool in combating global issues such as climate change through data analysis and predictive modeling, showcasing its capacity to contribute positively to some of the world's most significant